Hello everyone, I'm Pamela and I'm back with another video. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Y'all, I'm psyched, I'm hyped about this video because I'm sharing something with y'all probably don't know about right now. And y'all, this is gonna be the best dang on DIY ever. This is gonna be like my first DIY. And I don't do DIYs on my channel, but I had to do this one. Before we jump into this video, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit the like button. Comment down below and let me know what you think after you done watched it all the way through. And then hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other new uploads. This DIY right here is going to be the bomb. So y'all need to be sitting down and listening to what I got to tell you. For the longest, I have been searching for the continuous spray bottle. Now, I've heard a lot of people say, go on Amazon and order it. That's where I got mine from. And then I would price it at Walmart and it's like $9.96. And that's not bad for a continuous spray bottle. But Walmart doesn't carry it in their store. You have to order online and let it be shipped to you. So I'm in Dollar General one day and I'm minding my own business, y'all, and I ran across this. This is a continuous spray bottle from Febreze. I already took the paper off, but I'm gonna take it off for y'all. Yeah. Let me show y'all something. The paper does come off. All you have to do is just wrap it off, take it off. Okay. And bam. And bam. And bam. Look at that. Look at that. The product is still inside, but check this out. Oh, it comes off. It comes off. It comes off. Yes, a detachable bottle. But look, I already did this. So the product that was in this bottle is now in this bottle. I rinsed it out really well. Rinsed the nozzle really well. And now, guess what? Get your behind to the Dollar General and buy you a Febreze bottle. $4.50 for a continuous spray bottle. The contents that's on the inside, you can empty them out, clean the bottle out real good, and voila. You ain't got to go to Amazon. You ain't got to wait for nothing to be shipped to you. This is the bottle right here. $4.50 is all I spent. I should have got me about 3 more so I could have some in stock. So I think I'm going to go back tomorrow and pick up 2 more. That way I will have them on my shelf and I never run out. Just in case this one might want to tear up or something. Yes. So guys, I wanted to share this DIY with y'all. I could not let my naturalistas go another day and not know about this. Some of you may already know, but those of you who don't know, now you know. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Share it with somebody that needs to know about this. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in another video soon. Toodles. Bye. Best day of the hour.